Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here, and we are going to get into week 2. Just a couple of things I want to remind everyone. We still have some students joining us, so this is for brand new students as well. But just make sure when you first click on the class that you'll go to the updates page, which will have all of our weekly and daily updates, and then you need to click here to go to the materials page. You'll still see the weekly update at the top. And all students should have, you should always start here in the Start Here folder as if you're a new student. And the first 4 assignments that you need to do are right there. And for all students, as we get going, we've done week 1, and now we're going into week 2 called Philosophers and Facebook. And again, just a reminder for everyone, this is a Tuesday through Monday class. So your new class will open up on Tuesday mornings. They'll have a new video, new suggested schedule, and then everything will be finally due the following Monday at midnight. This week's a little bit different with Labor Day, so the suggested schedule I'm going to give you will be this one, which will show you Tuesday through Friday, and that way you can have a 3-day weekend. But everything is not absolutely due until Monday night at midnight, which is Labor Day, Monday night at midnight. But my suggested schedule takes you Tuesday through Friday, a 4-day week, so that you can have a 3-day weekend. Either way works, but everything is eventually due Monday night at midnight. First thing when you're watching this video on Tuesday mornings, hopefully Tuesday mornings or at least sometime Tuesday, is check your grades. You'll have a button here that says grades, and go through, watch this video, go through everything for the week. I suggest just look through the weekly folder for the week and make a plan for yourself. So, and then of course all your things that are due will be on the right side there. So this week you have a quiz. I'm going to suggest that the very first thing you do after watching this video is go in and take the quiz just as a pre-test. I don't expect you to get 100% on it or really know any of the answers to the quiz. It's just to kind of give you an idea of the information we're looking at for the week. So go in, take the quiz. Don't worry about your score, and then at the end of the week, after you've done the other assignments and everything, then go back and take the quiz again. You'll get 100%, as long as you take notes and you're ready for it and everything. Okay? So 2 assignments this week. It says, I say, and so political philosophers, and let me see if I can get that. And so I give you the example here of John Locke. So it says, I say, and so there are 4 things here. You read the question. You find specific information, quotes from the websites they give you, and then you put down what you know about this information, and then information, once you put it all together, the so what. The and so is the so what. Okay, so we have a sample of John Locke. 2 questions. See that these are direct quotes from material that we've studied, and then your I say and the and so. And the so is so what? Why are we answering this question about John Locke? And then you'll have 4 political philosophers to look at. The next assignment is called the Philosopher's Facebook Project, and you will choose one of those philosophers and you'll make a Facebook page. Don't do it in real Facebook. Find one of the templates they have out there, or just create it. But it is meant to be very visual and learning, and you'll put all the information, a lot of information that you learned about one of the philosophers in here. And then, of course, go back and take the quiz, get 100% on that. And again, as I said, if you follow my suggested schedule, you'll go Tuesday through Friday, and then you can have your 3-day weekend. And then, of course, everything will open up Tuesday morning for week 3. Okay, this should actually say 8/26 through 9/2. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I am, of course, here to help. So let me know. All right, thanks. Bye.